need a green screen but don't have the space or can't afford one, then you need Personify Chromacam. This program will allow you to use your laptop webcam or any other webcam that you may have with a green screen effect. It's available for free to use forever with watermark, or you can buy the Chromacam Pro for a one-time fee of $30. Check it out in the description below. Hey guys, welcome to RandomFandom. Today's video is about my newly customized Razer phone. So just recently I ordered a custom-made slick wrap for my phone, and so here's the slick wraps. Now these are about $25 plus shipping. Shipping is like $5 I think, or $8, depending on how fast you want to get it. But it's made of a thick, high quality vinyl, and it looks awesome. So for my design, I did my RandomFandom logo along with my profiles and my QR code, my channel name, and the Razer phone logo, because I can't just cover that up without putting a Razer phone logo on here. Razer's logo looks pretty cool. So I got that, but then the cases that I have that would show it off, well, I only have one. So this is it's a 2D clear case. It's about $7 on Amazon. I made a video on it before, and it will allow me to protect this phone even more from minor drops while keeping the beauty of this device and the sleekness of it. So this case doesn't add a whole bunch of bulk, and you can still see my custom skin. So that is my newly customized Razer phone. Of course, I can't put the entire skin on the Razer phone, as in the side pieces, because they do not fit too well with the case on it. So I mean, it's a really tight fit to do that, so I just decided I won't put those on there. So there it is. That is my customized Razer phone. It looks great, and it's going to be great for advertising my YouTube channel to people I meet in person in real life. Yeah, I can have them just scan the back of my phone and they can subscribe to my channel, so that's great. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and click that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.